Today we are going to discuss the Duncan coat of arms. But before we get started, we wanted to let you know that we offer genealogy research service at our website. Please visit us at coadb.com. First coat of arms to discuss was found in a heraldic roll dated around the year 1592. Argent, a chevron sable between 2 stars gules and a hunting horn sable, stringed gules. Next is Argent, a chevron sable between 2 sheaves of arrows and chief gules, banded of the field, and a hunting horn in base of the second, stringed and garnished, or Crest, a dexter hand appaume. This was granted or registered by Major Robert Duncanson, a Scottish professional soldier, the son of John Duncanson, born around the year 1630. Gules, a chevron or between 2 cinquefoils in chief, and a hunting horn in base Argent, garnished azure. Crest, a ship under sail. For Duncan of Seaside, Scotland, registered in 1672 by William Duncan of Seaside. Another for Alexander Duncan of Parkhill in County Forfar, Scotland, granted to him in the year 1809. Gules, a chevron erminoi between 2 cinquefoils in chief Argent and a hunting horn of the last in base stringed azure. Crest, a ship under sail and sea proper, the main top sail and foretopsail each charged with a cinquefoil gules, and the fork tack with a hunting horn of the last stringed azure. For Patrick Duncan, who died in 1798, his estate passed to his cousin, James Beveridge, who assumed the surname Duncan and died in the year 1833. Gules on a chevron between 2 cinquefoils in chief and a hunting horn in base, or 3 buckles azure, registered in 1624 by the Duncan of Mott family in Scotland. Another for Duncan of Ardownie in County Angus, Scotland. Andrew Duncan, born 1744, a surgeon, son of a merchant and shipmaster in Crail, who descended from Duncan of Ardownie, arms registered in the year 1698. Gules, a chevron between a satyr, 2 talbots, heads, collared in chief, and sinister, a hand in base, couped Argent, a mullet for difference. Registered in 1673 by John Duncan of Balesy in County Aberdeen, Scotland. Another for George Duncan of Edinburgh, Scotland, alive in the year 1786, comptroller of taxes. Crest is a dexter hand grasping a scimitar proper, hilted and pommelled over. Gules, 2 roses in chief and a bugle horn in base, Argent, stringed and garnished azure, for Duncan of Marylebone in London. The Duncan baronetcy of Marylebone in the county of Middlesex was a title created in the baronetage of Great Britain in 1764 for Sir William Duncan, physician to King George III, and the son of Alexander Duncan of Lundy. This is the coat of arms, crest, and supporters of Admiral Adam Duncan, born 1731, known for defeating the Dutch fleet off Camperdown on October 11th, 1797. He was created the first Viscount Duncan in the same year, and was the son of Alexander Duncan, Baron of Lundy, who died in the year 1777. Here we see the family estate of Camperdown House. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, where we offer genealogy research services, high-resolution digital JPEGs, and heraldic merchandise such as t-shirts, posters, and mugs. Link in the description. Thank you very much.